supportive mentors, ever-loving fellow residents, and our beloved family members named Bagarabi Kanyayuami. Today marks the culmination of years of dedication, perseverance, and unwavering commitment. As a surgery graduate, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and a spirit eager to embrace the future. The journey to this point has been a formidable one. To those who don't know yet, I'm actually just a simple lad from the humble municipality of Puao, Cagayan. I chose residency here in Baguio due to simple reasons like cold weather and just to fulfill my childhood dream to study here. Going back to memory lane, during my panel interview, before my acceptance in Cordillera Consortium last December 2017, I was asked by the panels if I can do a residency far away from my family. I simply replied yes, with a confident smile. Since I was already living independently, or can I say, studying away from my family since high school, this is to obtain better education opportunities, and please continue to college until medical school. At first, I thought it would be the same, but I was wrong. Residency is completely on a different level, especially in general surgery. General surgery residency is known for its intensity and the numerous difficulties residents face every single day. These include working with long shifts, leading to sleep deprivation and chronic fatigue, encountering high-stress situations, including critical patient cases, difficult surgeries, and sometimes witnessing adverse outcomes like death of our own patients. The transition from medical school to residency involves a steep learning curve. The demanding schedule can strain personal relationships and limit time for self-care. Cumulative effect of these stressors can lead to burnout, characterized by reduced sense of personal accomplishment. Despite these difficulties, I need to find the core reason why I started this residency. So how did I finish my residency despite these challenges? Agad-anos ka. A commonly verbalized word by my dear mentors to their patients during rounds. Anusang lang magsa, agad-anos ka pa'y anusang. These were also the exact words that my mother always says to me in times of difficulties and uncertainties. And most unforgettably, these were also the last words where my late father said to me, agad-anos ka, balong. Agad-anos ka. An Ilocano term that moves and inspires me to keep moving forward, regardless of life difficulties, challenges, and the length of the journey. It is indeed important to be patient, because seasons and the storms are not permanent. They will pass. Agad-anos ka, because you will receive your breakthrough in time. Agad-anos ka, because problems won't last forever. Agad-anos ka, because one day, the tables will turn, and I believe you will find success. To my fellow graduates, Gio, Ash, and of course, Winnie, we share the same connection, a connection forged in time, especially in our surgical training journey that binded us to learn and grow together. We have the same goals and experienced the toughest situations, but I am beyond grateful that you've been there to cheer me up. As we part ways, we will face new challenges and opportunities that will further sharpen our skills in time. With this, let us practice what we love to do and enjoy every bit of it. This culmination tonight is a celebration, not just about us graduates, but more importantly, for dear mentors, agyaman kami sir, agyaman kami ma'am. For beloved family, pakawalan na kami. and our treasured juniors, Agad-anos kayo, Adi. For our dear mentors, I would just like to mention, because we will never get tired of mentioning your names, especially those who are present here tonight. Doc Rochi, Sir Ray, Sir JP, Sir P3, Sir Queen, Doc Tix, Doc Lights, Doc March, this is and of course, our ever supporting training officer, Dr. Michelle Payagan, our mother in consortium. Dr. Samuel Cosme, now the chairman, and also my mentor. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And of course, our beloved Dr. Dexon, thank you for accepting us. Now, we are at the end of the tunnel, ready to face the light of the new tomorrow. Thank you, sir. And for all other mentors that are not present here tonight, I would just like to say this message. Agyaman, we are thankful for all the guidance and unwavering support. Agyaman, for all the days we needed assistance and you are ready to extend a helping hand. Agyaman, for teaching us not only to think as doctors, but also not to forget how to think and feel like human beings. Agyaman, for lighting the path of our personal, professional, and educational success. Agyaman, for molding us not only to be good doctors, but more importantly, better people. Agyaman. To our family members, especially my mother, Ma, my siblings, Ate Jenny, Ate Laila, Ate Regine, Kuya Absit, of course, Auntie Sula, and also our pamangkins. Pakawalan, please forgive us for all the family occasions we have missed, and for all the times you physically need us, and we were not there. Pakawalan, for all those days that you are happy, and you wanted to share some good news, and yet you can hug and kiss us. Pakawalan. For all the silent battles you kept to yourself, for us to keep going. Pakawalan. Please forgive us for all our absences, flaws, and shortcomings, because this whole journey is for all of you. Every success, every triumph, every victory is for you. Without you, we are nothing. To all the family members present today or tonight, congratulations. Personally, graduation ceremonies are significant not just for graduates themselves, but also for inspiring the next generation of our young surgeons, our juniors. Our dear juniors, Patrick, Mike, Ems, Dine, Joshua, Thea, Lubel, and Echo, agad-anos kayo. When you only have an hour of sleep and your body is aching all over, agad-anos ka. When you feel down and suddenly miss your family back home, agad-anos ka. When everything seems so heavy and you feel like giving up, agad-anos ka. When everything seems uncertain and you start to question everything, agad-anos ka. These challenges of residency is not permanent. They will pass, and problems will not last forever. Agad-anos ka. You will receive your breakthrough in time. Keep moving forward, regardless of life's difficulties and challenges. Agad-anos ka. Because all your agad-anos will pay off at the end. All the sleepless nights and body aches will be worth it. All the tears and heavy heart will resolve to something wonderful. And all your questions and whys will be beautifully answered. Congratulations to everyone. The future is bright and it is ours to shape. Let's go make this world a better place. Dr. Regimar Salgado Benito, Doc Reg, Surgical Resident for Riviera Consortium. Proud Cagayan, Igorot by heart, officially signing off. Thank you and God bless.